Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will see one of the very important topic in probability, that is called the axioms of probability. So they form the mathematical foundation for the probability theory. So we'll have three axioms. First axiom is called, the statement of the first axiom is non-negativity. So that means probability of A greater than or equal to 0. So if you take A, any event, A is the any event that belongs to S. So here S is nothing but sample space. S is nothing but sample space. So if you take any event A which belongs to the sample space S, so then probability of A is always greater than or equal to 0. So for any event A, the probability of that event cannot be negative. Either it is equal to 0 means when the event doesn't occur. So if the event occurs, then it will always have some positive number. So that is the first axiom, that is non-negativity. Second one is the normalization, what we call. That means if you take the probability of the entire sample space, probability of entire sample space is equal to 1. So that means sample space, what is sample space? Sample space contains all possible events. Sample space contains all possible events. So if you take the event from that sample space, so it will definitely going to occur. So if you take any event from the sample space, it will definitely occur. So that is why probability of sample space is 1. So this is the second axiom. And the third axiom is called the additivity. So this is for disjoint events. So here the important thing that we have to remember is it is for all the disjoint events in that sample space. So if you take the sample space, for example this one, so disjoint event means they don't have any common area, common intersection. So you can call this is as a1, this is as a2, this is as a3, a4, a5, a6, a7. So all the events here, they don't have any common area. So such type of events are called disjoint events. So if you take probability of union of all those events, then you can write that as summation of individual probabilities of those events. So the statement is the probability of the union of the disjoint events. Disjoint events means they don't have any common area or common elements between those events, will be equal to the sum of their individual probabilities. So for simplicity, if you take A and B are two disjoint events, this you can simply write it as probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. So these are the three axioms, friends. First one is probability of any event you take, it is always greater than or equal to 0. The second one is S is the sample space. If you take any event from that sample space, it will definitely going to occur. That is why probability of sample space is 1. And the third one is called the additivity. If you take any two disjoint events or any such event, disjoint events, probability of union of disjoint events will be sum of the probabilities of those events. So these are the three axioms. I hope everyone is understood the axioms. If you have any doubts, please comment below, or if you would like me to solve any particular problem, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thank you.